All right, good afternoon, everybody. These are afternoon arraignments. Ms. Whitehead, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll need you to speak as loudly as you can, and if you can't hear me, make sure you let me know, okay? All right, we're on the record. This is State of Michigan versus Irene Whitehead. I have two case files, D2600139FY and D2600140FY. Counsel, can you place your appearances on the record?
Thank you, Your Honor. Julia Kelly and Jordan CP on behalf of Ms. Whitehead. She's not present before the court. She's appearing via video. Thank you.
All right, thank you. And Ms. Whitehead, can you tell me your full legal name, please? Go ahead.
Irene Whitehead.
All right, and can you tell me your date of birth, please?
November 17, 1998.
Okay. Ms. Whitehead, you are before the court today for arraignment on new charges. I'll go through them. The first case is the case file ending in 139. And in this case, you were charged with child abuse in the second degree. That's a felony, and it's punishable by up to 10 years of incarceration. And it alleges that you did knowingly or intentionally commit an act likely to cause serious physical or mental harm to a child by repeatedly impeding the child's ability to breathe. The named complainant is Katina Whitehead, and it's alleged that this occurred on or about, so it's a date range between August 26th of 2020 and November 25th of 2025. Counsel, how would you like to proceed?
At this time, I will enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Ms. Whitehead.
Okay. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. And then as to the other case file ending in 140FY, Ms. Whitehead, in this case, you are charged in count 1 with homicide, felony murder. That is punishable by a life sentence without parole. And then in count 2, you are charged with child abuse in the first degree. That is also a felony, punishable by life or any term of years. Counsel?
Thank you, Your Honor. I would enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Ms. Whitehead.
All right, thank you. Ms. Whitehead, I want to confirm you understand what the government is charging you with, and you understand the maximum penalties, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These cases will continue alongside your existing case in front of Judge Jeffrey O'Hara, and they've already been set to accompany that case with a probable cause conference on January 28th at 8:30 in the morning. And then your preliminary examination has been scheduled for February 4th at 9:30 in the morning. Or was it not 9:30?
Your Honor, I did speak to Ms. Whitehead this morning. She's willing to waive the 21 days to set both of the new cases on February the 9th.
All right, is that correct, Ms. Whitehead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And would you give your attorney, Ms. Kelly, permission to sign a waiver of that 21-day rule on your behalf?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Counsel, do you want to be heard with regard to bond conditions of release?
Thank you, Your Honor. We don't set a reasonable bond be set in these matters. These matters predate the other charged allegation, which law enforcement has known about for now 5 years at least. And CPS was not even able to make a preponderance of the evidence finding with respect to the new homicide charge. So we would ask for a reasonable bond. Ms. White has no prior criminal history, lifelong resident of Kent County, supportive family, and would submit to the court on those matters.
All right, thank you. All right, as to all matters, frankly, I'm going to set the bond what it's currently set at, which is none. These are extremely serious charges, and I think she's already being held no bond, and these charges, while I understand counsel's position, are just as serious and violent. So bond will be set at none as to both cases. I understand she's entitled to a bond on the child abuse second degree, but for simplicity's sake and efficiency's sake, it'll be no bond.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, is there anything else?
Are the waiver, is the 21-day waiver in the file, or are they?
They're there, over there.
Be in there in the lowest.
Thank you. I will get those signed for the court.
All right, Ms. Whitehead, any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, thanks very much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.